Once upon a time, in a small picturesque town nestled between rolling hills and a whispering river, there lived a mysterious woman named Hazel. Her eyes, the color of warm, rich hazelnuts, held untold stories and hidden sorrows. The townsfolk knew her as the enigmatic soul who resided in the old Victorian house at the edge of town, surrounded by an overgrown garden that seemed to mirror the tangled emotions within. Hazel rarely ventured into the bustling heart of the town, preferring the solitude of her home and the company of the trees that whispered ancient secrets in the wind. The townspeople often wondered about the tales behind her hazel eyes, but she remained a mystery, veiled in the mystique she carried like a cloak. One fateful day, a young artist named Lily moved to the town, seeking inspiration for her paintings. Lily was drawn to the quaint charm of the place, but it was the rumors of the mysterious woman with hazel eyes that ignited her creativity. Intrigued by the enigma surrounding Hazel, Lily decided to unravel the stories hidden behind those hazel cries. As Lily painted the landscapes and captured the essence of the town, she couldn't shake the feeling that Hazel's eyes held the key to a story that needed to be told. Determined to connect with the elusive woman, Lily spent days exploring the winding paths that led to Hazel's home. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the town, Lily knocked on Hazel's creaky front door. The door opened slowly, revealing the woman with hazel eyes that seemed to carry the weight of 1,000 unspoken words. Hazel, initially guarded, felt a connection with Lily's sincerity. Over cups of herbal tea, they shared stories, dreams, and the pain that lingered in the shadows of their pasts. Hazel's hazel eyes, once guarded, now glistened with the light of understanding and shared burdens. Through their friendship, Hazel found healing in the art that spilled from Lily's brushes, and Lily discovered the resilience that hid behind Hazel's hazel cries. Together, they created a masterpiece of connection and understanding that transformed the town into a canvas of shared stories and shared dreams. And so, the town that once whispered about Hazel's hazel cries now echoed with the laughter of two kindred spirits who found solace in the art of revealing the stories behind the hazel eyes.